In this video, you will learn how to draw a cute kawaii bunny step by step. This bunny drawing is really easy. It's based on a simple egg shape. I will be drawing by hand using the following materials, but you can grab anything you have on hand, or you can even draw digitally in Procreate if you like. This is the paper I enjoy using right now. It's Fabriano artist paper. Then for the outlines, I use a simple Sharpie. It works very well. Just be sure to have a few sheets of paper so the marker doesn't bleed through to your table. And then I'll be using coloring pencils for our cute kawaii bunny, but you can use any materials you already have on hand. You can use paint, you can use markers, or of course you can draw digitally. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Tatyana Deniz. I will teach you how to draw kawaii even if you are a complete beginner, and how to start a creative business using your new skill. If you're curious about selling artwork with print on demand, or you want to open an Etsy shop with cute products, or you just want to get better at drawing kawaii, then be sure to subscribe to get more videos like this one. Ready to draw? Let's do it! As I said in the beginning, this kawaii bunny is based on an egg shape, so we'll start our drawing by simply drawing a vertical line that will be our guide to help us keep the character symmetrical. And then we'll just add a simple egg shape over it. Try to make it as even as possible, but don't worry about it being perfect. Now I can already see that this side is way bigger than this one, so I'm gonna take the eraser and I'm just gonna correct that. That's why we have erasers. So I mentally imagine how much space there is here. I calculate the same amount of space here, which is roughly at this point. So I put that to serve as a guide, and I'm just gonna correct my oval like that. And this is gonna be the body of our kawaii bunny. Now, the ears, they are like water drop shapes, or you can say upside down ovals that are more narrow at the bottom, just like that. Maybe like a little leaf shape or a drop shape. And try to match it on the other side. Doesn't have to be perfect. We can make it fun and add another little inner part to it that already looks like a bunny. And let's draw a horizontal guide as well, roughly in the middle, to help us position the face and the hands and the feet. So the feet are just simple little U-shapes. This is a kawaii bunny, so it has very, very tiny hands and feet, or paws, I don't know. And then we're gonna pretend that this is the shoulder of this bunny, and we're just gonna create another little U-shape for the hand. And the other hand, we can make it go up, maybe hold something, but notice that this horizontal line is gonna help us inform where the shoulder is. So even though the hand is pointing up, it starts on the same line where this hand ends. This is a neat little trick. And we use this horizontal line as well to help us position the eyes. Two more ovals, and we have the eyes. And for animal eyes, you can sort of add this little more solid area to it. And it makes it look a little bit cross-eyed when you do that, but that actually adds to the cuteness. When I started drawing Totoro, I realized that he's a little bit cross-eyed, and that's what gives him that super cute look. And this is my favorite way to do an animal face, is just two little curved lines and an open mouth. And of course, little cheeks for kawaii, for super cuteness. And you can give the bunny a balloon, or you can give the bunny a lollipop. Let's do a lollipop. We'll have some fun with it, with coloring it. So I'm just gonna turn it under an angle a little bit. And let's say it's one of those delicious fun lollipops that go round and round in a spiral, like that. Okay, we are ready to color. I'm gonna use a Sharpie marker to outline the bunny, and then I'm gonna use this Prismacolor color pencils to add some fun and color and shading to our bunny. I really love these pencils. They are so soft and juicy and colorful. I'll link to them in the description below so that you know exactly which ones they are. They're very good priced and I love using them for coloring. Let's do the outline. You can see that I left a few pieces unfinished, and that's because for doing more delicate parts like the face and the spiral and the inner parts of the ears, I want to use a thinner, more precise pen. I really love the Tombow Dual brush because it has this thicker side that is really great for lettering, and then it has this thinner side for doing more precise work, which is the one I'm going to use now. Just something to know about this pen is that it's not waterproof, so if you're planning to do watercolor over it, either use a different pen or add the outline after you do the paint. Okay, let's erase the pencil lines and we'll add some color. If you're having fun with this cute kawaii bunny tutorial, then leave a comment below and let me know. I didn't go into the eyes because I think the marker is not completely dry, so I'll come back and erase the eyes at the end of the drawing. As you can see, I'm sort of keeping the direction of my coloring strokes the same, under the same angle. And that is so that I create a slightly more neat look. Now imagine if I was going like this, then I was going like that, then like that, then like that. The texture wouldn't be even. Even though I don't want to have visible strokes in my drawing, but I want to keep going in the same direction because then the texture comes out even. Hopefully it's not very visible which way it goes, but it comes out more even. And now if we like, we can add a little bit of shading. So if we imagine that the light comes from this side, it means this side is darker. So this is optional if you want. Just darken that side. Give it a little bit more of a three-dimensional look. And now let's add some pink accents. I'll be using the same pink for the ears and for the mouth so that it stays consistent and coherent and pleasing to the eye. And we lost our cheeks, but that's okay because we'll just bring them back right over for this cute, cute, cute kawaii bunny. There we go. And now let's do the funnest part, the lollipop. So I'll pretend that the stick is made of wood, maybe. It's on a nice wooden stick. And I want to do like a fun gradation inside the lolly. So I'm gonna start with the same pink that we had. I'm gonna go thick on the outside and then I'm gonna just release the pressure a little bit and make it a little thinner. You see how there's less color now. And then I'll add orange right over the pink and kind of gonna pull it out further as the candy progresses. It's nice rainbow candy. My kids would love this. So I'm just kind of softly releasing the pressure because now I'm gonna go in with the yellow and I'm gonna finish it off, but I want the colors to blend, so I needed a little bit of that orange so that I can blend it with the yellow. I think this looks really cute. We can do a little bit of shading again by darkening the edges a little bit to give this candy a more three-dimensional look, but we're nearly there. And there's a kawaii bunny. Awesome! Now you know how to draw a cute kawaii bunny in a super simple way. Just an egg shape with some ears and some paws coming out. This is a great drawing project for beginners, or if you draw with kids, or if you need a cute kawaii bunny for your craft projects. I hope you had fun with this cute kawaii bunny drawing. If you did, leave a comment below, like this video, and be sure to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Mwah!